Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 2 Independent Project 2 to 4. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. So we move to the main project step. So total step is 20 and download the Excel files. Click the start a file. Then go to the downloads and open the Excel files. And so we move to the main project step. Step number 1 is open the central Sierra XLS, start a file. If the workbook open the protected view, click the enable editing buttons so you can modify the file name, rename automatically in your name and change the project file name to do directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So click the enable editing and I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet. So next is question number 2 is select the table worksheet and select the cell A1 to B6, create a range name and using the create a from selection button and formula type and define name groups. So select the table worksheet. So go to the table worksheet and next is select the range A1 to B6. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter and create a range name using the create a from selection button, formula and define name groups. So go to the paleo tabs, go to the formula tabs and click the create a from selections, click the left and click OK. So left column, so create a from selections, define name and top row and click OK. So next is question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is create a XLOOKUP function to display the bonus rates and if a XLOOKUP is not available, build the following formula VLOOKUP function E5 table A2 to B6 and leave the range lookup argument empty so that VLOOKUP finds that. So click the commission sheet tabs and select the F5. So go to the commission worksheets and next is select the cell F5. So select the F5 is in bonus rate and next is start a XLOOKUP function, use the E5 and lookup value and for the lookup array is the argument is the commission level range and to return the array is the bonus rate range and next is for a return array argument choose the bonus rate and for the match mode arguments -1 range and person style with the F5 to F6 to F14. So insert the start a XLOOKUP function. So type is equal to and type the XLOOKUP function. Open the XLOOKUP function dialog box and next is start a XLOOKUP function, use the lookup value is E5. So lookup value inside E5 and next is E5 and for the lookup array argument use the commission level range. So lookup array argument in commission in the commission levels. So select the commission levels range. So select the lookup array is the commission level range, and next is for the return array argument is bonus rate. So return array argument is the bonus rate, and next is for a match mode argument type -1. For match is -1, and next merge match and click OK. So format the result is percentage and two decimal places. So go to the home tabs and go to the percentage and two decimal places. So decimal places is 2 and click OK. Percentage and two decimal places. Format the result percentage two decimal places and copy the formula F5, F6 to F14. So copy the formula F5 to F14. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is set the order of a operation to calculate the commission and bonus totals and select the G5. The total paid is the dollar amounts of the commission plus the commission time, and so select the G5, and next is G5. The total paid is the dollar amount of the commission plus the commission times the bonus, and start the formula and select the cell E5. Add the E5 to the product commission amount times the bonus rates, and format the result to show zero decimal places and copy the formula G6 to G14. So E5 and E5 multiplied by F5. So select the G5, type is equal to, and select the E5 plus E5 multiplied by F5 is bonus rate, and close bracket and press enter. And G5 start a formula and select the E5, add the E5 and add the E5 multiplied by F5, and next is formula result in the show the zero decimal places. So go to the home tabs, go to the number format and zero decimal places, click OK, and next is format the result zero decimal places and copy the formula G6 to G14. So copy the formula G6 to G14. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is create and copy the sum if function to calculate the total earning by branch office, and select the E8 and start the sum if function D5 to D18 range argument and criteria argument as a relative reference, and determine the sum range argument, make the reference absolute, and copy the formula E18, E90 to E20 without the formattings to preserve the borders, and format the cell E80 to E21. So create the sum if function, calculated the total earning by branch in cell. So select the E18s. So type the E18, press enter, and next is E18 and start the sum if functions, and the sum if function d5 to d14. So E18. So create a copy to sum if function to calculate the total earning by branch office and select the cell E18. So E18, and next is start a sum if function d5 to d14, and the range is argument, and set the criteria argument to C18 and determine the sum range argument and make the reference absolute cell reference in the format the cell E80 to E21 currency with the zero decimal places. So select the E18, and type is equal to type the sum if function and open the sum if function dialog box. Sum if function dialog box, and d5 to d14 as the range arguments. So d5 to d14, d5 to d14, and apply the absolute reference. And next is criteria is criteria is set the criteria argument as the relative reference to C18. So relative in cell C18. So select the C18 is criteria is C18 and determine the sum range arguments and make the reference absolutes and copy the formula E82 E E82 E21. So next is determine the sum argument reference absolute reference. So sum range is G5 to G14. So G5 to G14, and apply the absolute reference G5 to G14 and click OK. So next is copy the formula E92 E20 without formatting to preserve the border. So copy the formula and fill without a formatting. And next is next is copy the formula and fill without a formatting. So copy the formula and fill without a formatting. And next is E82 E21. So E82 E21, and paste the range, press enter. E82 E82 E20, and format and currency zero decimal places. So go to the home tabs, and so E82 E21 and currency with the zero decimal places. So currency with the zero decimal places. So go to the home tabs, go to the number groups, and click the currency zero decimal places and click OK. So currency with the zero decimal places and click OK, and total the earning in cell E21. So select the E21, and total the earning in cell E21. Type is equal to type the sum function and press enter. And total in the earning in cell E21. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is calculate the average mode and median value in cell E22 to E23 and E24 for the commission and bonus total in column G. So calculate the average mode and median value in cell E22. So select the E22 and calculate the average mode and median function. So type is equal to type the average function, and in cell E22 in cell average function and commission and bonus totals in column. commission and bonus totals. Commission and bonus total in column G. So select the column G, total, and close bracket and press enter. So result is 6905. So 69 and 69 and 0462. So 69. So select the E22. It's the average in G5 to G14, and next is E23. So select the E23 and type is equal to, type the mode function, and range is commission with the bonus, and close bracket and press enter. And E24 for the commission and bonus total in column G. So select the E24 for the commission and bonus total in column G. So select the E24 and type is equal to, type the median function, and range is commission with the bonus column, and press enter. Commission with the bonus column, total in column, and correct the border and number format instant as I needed it. So question number 10 is, in cell E24 is a median function and mode function, and next is average, and correct the border and number format instant as I needed it. So next is question number 11. Create a copy of if function, select the by police sheets and click the cell F7. So go to the by police worksheets, and next is click the cell F7. So select the F7 and start the if function with the logical test E7 is equal to business policy to determine if the policy is for a business. If it is for an individual, it is the personal line policy, and you must type the question marks because the text follow the cell reference, and type no as the value if the true argument, and you need not type the question marks for the argument alone in the entry box, and type yes as the value if the false argument, and copy the formula F7, complete the column, it is the business policy, the result is no. So select the F7 and insert the if function. So type is equal to and type the if function, and next is type the if function, and logical test is E7 is equal to business policy to determine the business, and if it is for individual, it's the personal policy, and you must type the question mark because the text follow the cell reference. So open the if function dialog box, and logical test is E7 to business policy. So E7 to business policy, and next is business policy E7, and next is type the no the value if true argument. So value if true argument is type no, and value if false is, and value if false is yes. So type the yes and click OK. Type is equal to E7 and type the inverted commas, and next is business policy, and no and yes, and press enter. So and type is equal to E7 business policy and press enter. So result is yes. So result is yes, and copy the formula in a cell F7, complete the column. If it is business policy, the result is no because the label in cell F6 of it's the personal line. So copy the formula and fill without a formatting. So and next is increase the indentation two times. So F7 to F27, copy the range and paste the range, press enter. And next is increase the indentation two times. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and increase the indentation one and two times. Increase the indentation two times and press Ctrl home. So question number 11 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and upload and save and your project file and submit for grading. So save the assignments, click the file and click the save as, and so save the assignments and close the assignments and upload the assignment and check the scores. So click the upload of my files and next is click the opens and just submit the files, click OK. So result is 90%, Excel 20, 21 in practice chapter 2, independent project 2 to force. So 90%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the score is 90%.